जैसा सिंपल पेंडुलम, सिंपल pendulum. Earlier we have discussed about that simple pendulum, that is simple pendulum. It is a heavy sphere which is attached to the rigid support by the string. String is a massless, inextensible, twistless, and it will be the oscillate from the mean to extreme position. That is why it is called as the simple pendulum. It is called as the simple pendulum. And simple pendulum में हमने formula in the simple pendulum we have see that formula T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G, under root L by G, whereas T is a period, T is an period, L is an length of string, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Right. Now we have to see the second pendulum. What? Second pendulum. Second pendulum. Listen my dear, जिस तरह नाम है उसी तरह उसका अर्थ है. Second, क्या? Means those pendulum which require the 2 seconds for their oscillation. कहने का मतलब क्या है? देखिए, those pendulum which require 2 seconds for their oscillation, for their complete oscillation, for their complete oscillation. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि ये जो पेंडुलम है यहाँ से मीन टू एक्सट्रीम टू मीन जो जा रहा है, देखो ध्यान दीजिए, मीन टू एक्सट्रीम टू मीन जो जा रहा है, तो इसको ऑसिलेट होने के लिए 2 सेकंड लगेगा. क्या लगेगा? 2 सेकंड. तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सेकंड पेंडुलम. क्या बोलेंगे? सेकंड पेंडुलम. दोस पेंडुलम व्हिच रिक्वायर 2 सेकंड फॉर देयर कंप्लीट ऑसिलेशन are called as second pendulum. क्या बोलेंगे उसको? second pendulum. So according to formula is that T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. What is the time? Time is a 2 second. Means 2 second. That is the time is a 2 second. 2 second is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. Why 2? Because it required 2 seconds. Required the 2 to get cancel. Means see carefully. 1 is equal to pi under root L by G. So my dear, यहाँ पे pi multiplied में तो क्या होगा? डिवाइड होगा. तो 1 by pi is equal to under root L by G. So my dear, यहाँ पे रूट है तो इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? स्क्वायर. क्या हो जाएगा? बोले तो 1 by pi square is equal to L by G. बोले तो L equal to क्या होगा? G upon pi square. This is the time period for the second pendulum. Length of the second pendulum. Are you getting this one? हाँ? कर लो. समझ लो? करना रे.